to one and all. Yesterday I told about some definitions of heat chapter. Today remaining topics we can discuss. So today we will discuss. Yesterday I told that heat definition. Heat definition. What is the heat definition? Heat is nothing but it is a form of energy that is transferred from high temperature body to low temperature body. That is called heat. Another definition also I told yesterday. What is the feeling? About feeling. You can touch the ice cream. How can feel coldness? Why you can feel coldness? Why you can feel coldness means our body temperature is goes to the ice. You can feel coldness. మన బాడీ యొక్క టెంపరేచర్ ఏమైతుంది? ద బాడీ టెంపరేచర్ హాట్ బాడీ నుంచి కోల్డ్ బాడీకి హీట్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతుంది. హియర్ హాట్ బాడీ మీన్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ అవర్ బాడీ. So cold body means ice. So the body heat is transferred from high temperature body to low temperature body. Here you can touch the ice cream. How can you can feel coldness means because our temperature is goes to the ice, you can feel coldness. Next, how you can feel hotness? In some cases you can feel hotness. For suppose you can stand near the flame. How can feel? You can feel hotness. Why? Because flame means it is a hot body. Our body is cold body. Our body is cold body. Flame is hot body. So here temperature is transferred to the flame to the body. So you can feel hotness. In the hotness ka feel avutam. Why? Because here flame anadi hot body and our body is a cold body. So here heat is transferred from high temperature body to low temperature body. Here flame is the hot body. So here temperature is transferred to the flame to the body. So you can feel hotness. Yesterday I told this one heat, temperature, thermal equilibrium. Temperature means measurement of heat is called temperature. Next, thermal equilibrium means there is no transfer of heat takes place between the two bodies. Okay. Thermal equilibrium means the state at which there is no transfer of heat takes place between the two bodies. That is called thermal equilibrium. Today we will discuss about relation between temperature and kinetic energy. Okay. Absolute temperature, normal temperature. First difference. What is absolute temperature? What is the normal temperature? Absolute temperature means the temperature is measured on Kelvin scale. That is called absolute temperature. Temperature is measured on Kelvin scale. Temperature is measured on Kelvin scale. Temperature is measured on Kelvin scale. That is called absolute temperature. This temperature is called absolute temperature. But what is the meaning of normal temperature? Normal temperature means our body temperature. How to measure our body temperature? By using the clinical thermometer, you can measure the normal temperature of the human body. What is the value of normal temperature? 98.4 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degrees centigrade. This is the normal temperature of the human body. How you can measure? By using clinical thermometer, by using Celsius scale. Celsius or Fahrenheit scale. By using Celsius scale or Fahrenheit scale, you can measure the temperature. That is called normal temperature. By using the Kelvin scale, you can use the absolute temperature. So temperature అనేది Kelvin scale తో మెజర్ చేస్తే దాన్ని absolute temperature అంటారు. నార్మల్ టెంపరేచర్ అంటే సెల్సియస్ స్కేల్, ఫారెన్హీట్ స్కేల్ మెజర్ చేస్తే దాన్ని నార్మల్ టెంపరేచర్ అంటారు. మనం జనరల్గా ఇదే వాడతాం. ఇది తక్కువగా వాడతాం. ఇది ఎక్కువగా ఇదే మనం జనరల్గా మన బాడీ టెంపరేచర్ మెజర్ చేయాలంటే మనం క్లినికల్ థర్మామీటర్ వాడతాం. దాంట్లో మెర్క్యూరీ ఉంటుంది. సో అక్కడ యూజ్ చేసే స్కేల్ ఏంటి? సెల్సియస్ స్కేల్ ఆర్ ఫారెన్హీట్ స్కేల్. ఫారెన్హీట్ స్కేల్. సో అబ్జల్యూట్ టెంపరేచర్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి, నార్మల్ టెంపరేచర్ డిఫరెన్స్ అనేది క్లియర్ గా అర్థం కావాలి. అబ్జల్యూట్ టెంపరేచర్ అంటే కెల్విన్ స్కేల్ తో మెజర్ చేసే దాన్ని అబ్జల్యూట్ టెంపరేచర్ అంటారు. నార్మల్ టెంపరేచర్ అంటే by using the Celsius scale or Fahrenheit scale you can measure the normal temperature. That is called normal temperature. Okay. Absolute temperature scale readings 273 373 ఈ రెండు మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. ద అబ్జల్యూట్ టెంపరేచర్ యొక్క రీడింగ్స్ upper fixed point, lower fixed point. Sorry, lower fixed point, upper fixed point. 273 and 373. These are the division. Total divisions how much here? 373 minus 273 means total 100 divisions. 100 divisions in the absolute temperature. Lower fixed point, upper fixed point. మధ్యలో ఎన్ని difference is 100 ఉంది కాబట్టి 100 divisions ఉంటాయి. అదే నార్మల్ టెంపరేచర్ 0 to 100 degrees centigrade. మధ్యలో ఎన్ని డివిజన్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 100 ఉన్నాయి. సో నార్మల్ టెంపరేచర్, అబ్సల్యూట్ టెంపరేచర్. Absolute temperature means temperature measured on Kelvin scale is called absolute temperature. Normal temperature means by using Celsius scale you can measure the temperature is called normal temperature. Okay, this is the difference. Next, relation between absolute temperature and kinetic energy. The relation between absolute temperature and kinetic energy. ఇందాకే just before only we discuss about absolute temperature. What is absolute temperature means? The temperature is measured on Kelvin scale is your absolute temperature. Next we will discuss about kinetic energy. What is the meaning of kinetic energy? Kinetic energy means the energy possessed by a body due to its motion. That is called kinetic energy. Example, human being, vehicles, animals and birds. These are the example for kinetic energy. అంటే మోషన్ వల్ల దానికి వచ్చే ఎనర్జీని kinetic energy antam. The energy possessed by a body due to its motion. The energy possessed by a body. The energy possessed by a body due to its motion. Due to its motion is called. So the energy possessed by a body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. Example, human being, vehicles, animals and birds. So for this relation between kinetic energy and absolute temperature, we can do the food color experiment. We will discuss about food color experiment. What is a food color experiment? Food color experiment. First, we will take the one beaker, hot water. Take the one beaker. In that beaker, we can take the hot water, that is 60 degrees centigrade. Next, take the another beaker. We take the cold water, that is 30 degrees centigrade. Compared to 60, it is a cold water. So, initially, you can take the two beakers. In first beaker, we can take the hot water. In second beaker, we can take the cold water. So here we can pour the food color. Food color వేయాలి. మీకు తెలుసు ఫుడ్ కలర్ అంటే తెలుసు, బిర్యానీ చేసేటప్పుడు బిర్యానీ కానీ ఫుడ్ కలర్ వేస్తారు, కేసరి చేయడం కానీ ఏదైనా ఉంటే దానికి ఫుడ్ కలర్ వేస్తారు. అది ఆరెంజ్ కలర్ కానీ రెడ్ కలర్ కానీ వేస్తారు. ఈ ఫుడ్ కలర్ వేసినప్పుడు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. బట్ ద ఫుడ్ కలర్ ఇస్ pour into the two both beakers. You can observe so in that hot water the food color grains are randomly moved. In that cold, ఎందుకంటే ముందు derivation of